Directive. Directive Number 4, the Protocol for Extracting and Cataloging Planetary Resources. Issued by Mission Command Authority. Objective: ensure systematic, ethical, and efficient extraction, analysis, and cataloging of planetary resources without disrupting indigenous ecosystems or civilizations. Overview. Directive Number 4 establishes the principles and protocols for resource extraction during interstellar exploration. It focuses on balancing humanity's need for resources with the imperative to respect and preserve the environments of other planets. It ensures that all resource-related activities are conducted with minimal ecological impact and within strict ethical boundaries. 1. Guiding Principles. Sustainability. All extraction must prioritize the sustainability of both the mission and the planetary ecosystem. Ethical practices. Avoid exploitation that could harm native life or disrupt the natural evolution of the environment. Scientific accuracy. Ensure thorough and accurate documentation of resources to advance human knowledge. 2. Pre-extraction analysis. Before any resources are extracted, a comprehensive assessment of the planetary environment and its resources is required. Resource mapping. Use orbital and surface scans to identify resource deposits. Categorize resources as renewable, e.g., water, vegetation, or non-renewable, e.g., minerals, hydrocarbons. Environmental Impact Assessment, EIA. Analyze the potential effects of extraction on local ecosystems, geology, and atmospheric conditions. Assess the presence of indigenous life and the likelihood of ecological disturbance. Strategic selection of sites. Focus on uninhabited or geologically stable regions to minimize impact. 3. Extraction protocols. Directive Number 4 mandates that all resource extraction is conducted with precision and care to prevent disruption. Small-scale operations. Begin with minimal extraction to test the process and gauge the impact. Scale up only when data confirms negligible environmental disruption. Specialized equipment. Use state-of-the-art tools designed for clean and efficient resource extraction, such as non-invasive drills, energy-based excavation tools, and robotic harvesters. Monitoring and control. Continuously monitor the impact of extraction activities in real time. Deploy automated systems to detect and mitigate ecological changes caused by operations. 4. Cataloging and sample management. Accurate documentation and cataloging of resources are critical for scientific analysis and mission records. Resource classification. Organize resources into categories such as minerals, gases, liquids, or organic compounds. Label renewable resources with regeneration timelines to monitor sustainability. Sample preservation. Store extracted materials in secure, sterile containers to prevent contamination. Maintain a strict chain of custody for all samples. Data recording. Use advanced databases to document the location, type, and quantity of extracted resources, as well as associated environmental conditions. 5. Ethical considerations. Directive Number 4 emphasizes respect for indigenous ecosystems and cultures. Non-interference with life. Do not extract resources from areas inhabited by intelligent or non-intelligent life. Avoid disrupting critical habitats or natural processes. Preservation of cultural sites. Refrain from extracting resources from locations of potential cultural or historical significance. Minimum extraction policy. Limit extraction to the smallest possible quantity required for mission success. 6. Technological safeguards. To comply with Directive Number 4, mission equipment must adhere to strict standards for precision, cleanliness, and sustainability. Resource-specific tools. Utilize equipment tailored to the type of resource, minimizing waste and environmental impact. Automated impact mitigation. Deploy systems to restore disturbed areas, such as soil stabilization units or atmospheric purifiers. Energy efficiency. Operate all extraction tools on renewable energy sources to minimize the mission's ecological footprint. 7. Training and personnel responsibilities. Crew members tasked with resource extraction must undergo specialized training. Geological and environmental science. Training in planetary geology and environmental science to accurately assess resource sites. Ethics and cultural sensitivity. Education on respecting indigenous ecosystems and civilizations. Operational safety. Practice safe handling of hazardous materials and response protocols for accidents. 8. Risk management and contingency plans. Directive Number 4 requires preparedness for any risks associated with resource extraction. Accident response. Immediate containment protocols for spills, emissions, or equipment failures. Environmental restoration. Have systems in place to restore any unintended ecological damage. Abort criteria. Clearly define conditions under which extraction activities must cease immediately. 9. Reporting and accountability. Transparency and accountability are critical in executing Directive Number 4. Daily logs. Maintain detailed logs of extraction activities, including the volume and type of resources collected. Impact reports. Submit regular reports on the environmental effects of extraction activities. Audit and oversight. All resource activities are subject to review by Mission Command and external scientific bodies. 10. Post-mission analysis. Directive Number 4 mandates a thorough review of resource extraction activities after mission completion. Sample analysis. Conduct detailed laboratory tests on extracted materials to evaluate their properties and potential applications. Lessons learned. Document successes and challenges to improve future resource extraction missions. Long-term monitoring. If applicable, establish automated systems to monitor the site for long-term environmental effects. Conclusion. Directive Number 4 is a cornerstone of responsible interstellar exploration, ensuring humanity can benefit from the vast resources of the cosmos without jeopardizing the integrity of alien worlds. By adhering to these detailed protocols, mission crews can advance scientific discovery while upholding ethical and sustainable practices. To extract is to learn, to catalog is to share, and to preserve is to honor. Signed, Dr. Ong. Directive, EDF. Mission Command Authority Date, 2021.